name is Jorge Trevino. I am from Texas. Behind us we have a 55 Chevy Bel Air. It's been completely redone, basically brand new. It was built by Karl Kustoms. It's got a brand new steel body. It's all steel. It has an Art Morrison frame. Has a plug-and-play LS3, head pinstriped and airbrushed, the Bel Air logo. Basically, all the car shows I've gone to, everybody just like ramps and raves about that, like, wow, you know, we've never seen anything like that. It's the attention to detail, it's just the little things that make it go over the top. So, I mean, this car is just like fabulous. It drives like a brand new Cadillac. I cruise around a little bit, limited, go to a lot of weekend car gatherings with all my car show buddies, do a lot of car shows. Of course, everybody calls her a trailer queen because she's always trailered, of course, in an enclosed trailer, not open, and she's pampered. This is my 4th trip up from Texas. Had a little bit of, as we call it, road rash from driving down the road, you know, rock chips and stuff. So I made the trip for the 4th time up here, and the reason I come up here all the way from Texas is this place is like, they pay attention to detail. They treat the car as if it was their own. I mean, very, very meticulous. And the painter, Ed, he's just like, wow, out of this world. I mean, every time he's done something to this car, you can't tell where he's done it and how he's done it. So that's why I come up here. I'll make the effort to come up here. What makes this one special to me is that I know the history on this car. I know how it was built, quality-wise. So basically, I know the ins and outs of this car. I feel like I'm like family here. They treat me great. Very, very nice. They take care of me. Attention to detail. I'm very detail-oriented. Very, very detailed. And I feel comfortable when I come here. I know they're going to do the job and do it right.